My name is Katinka.
A winter sunrise. It's these moments that give me such joy.
I live at the south point of South Africa in a small coastal cottage with 2 cats and a dog. I'm busy restoring and renovating this cottage. It's quite a process. And sometimes
I'm not the right person for the job.
it drives me to bad singing.
One more coat, and hopefully then this will be finally done.
On this channel, you will find me baking sourdough bread and regrowing a garden that has been dormant and unsuccessful for many years. I am so thankful that I can start eating from it again. And every time I pick a lettuce leaf or a piece of rocket, I get really excited. I sleep in this little cottage in my garden. It's cozy and quiet. And I grow plants from slips that I get from friends and family. I often do projects.
Bubbles, how am I supposed to get my work done with you?
And Bubbles keeps me company.
It's purring like crazy.
You will find me spinning. I call that my therapy. And knitting. Making my own clothes. And clothes for other people. Rainy days. It's embraced with hot chocolate
It's raining. Makes me so happy.
and cozy moments with cats. We will go on adventures and have fun with friends and animals.
You're doing garden day with us. Oh, and there's Pinky as well.
Here we will create fun adventures with friends. Going into nature, I will show you my secret spots. And we will dance and enjoy life. I would love it if you subscribe and maybe share this video with someone you know who would like to join our tribe.